Step into the world of the White Echinacea, also known as the White Coneflower. You've probably seen the purple ones everywhere, but the white variety has this clean, peaceful beauty that stands out in any garden. Let's explore where it comes from, how to care for it, and the colors and forms it grows in, and a few fun facts that you may not know. Echinacea, including the white varieties, is native to North America, especially the central and eastern United States. These plants grow naturally in prairies and open fields long before they became garden favorites. Because they're native, they're perfectly adapted to our climate. Hot summers, cold winters, and everything in between. That's why they're so tough and reliable in home gardens today. White Echinacea is one of the easiest perennials you can grow. Here's what it loves: sunlight, full sun is best, well draining soil, and regular watering when young. But once it's established, they're drought tolerant. If you're planting multiples, then you want to pay attention to spacing. Give each plant about 18 to 24 inches of space. And for maintenance, deadhead spent blooms to encourage more flowers, or you could leave them for birds. They love the seeds. White Echinacea is a plant it and forget it kind of perennial. It doesn't need pampering and it comes back bigger every year. Even though we're focusing on white today, Echinacea comes in a whole rainbow of colors: pink, purple, orange, yellow, coral, and even green. But the white varieties have a special charm. Their bright white petals and golden green cones look crisp and clean, especially when you plant them next to darker or more colorful flowers. Up close, you can see the tiny spikes on the cone, the delicate droop of the petals, and the way the center changes color as the bloom matures. They're simple but stunning. There are several beautiful white varieties you can grow: the white swan, the powwow white, virgin, fragrant angel, just to name a few. Each one has its own personality. Some are tall and airy, others are short and full. They all blend beautifully with other plants. Now, here are some fun facts. It's pollinator friendly. Bees, butterflies, and even hummingbirds love it. Birds, especially goldfinches, eat the dried seed heads in fall and winter. It's a true perennial coming back year after year. Echinacea has a long history of medicinal use by Native American tribes. It's deer resistant, which is also a bonus. White Echinacea brings beauty, wildlife, and reliability all in one plant. So that's your up close look at White Echinacea, a native perennial that's tough, elegant, and perfect for pollinators. Whether you plant it in a mixed bed, a pollinator garden, or right next to bold colors, it always adds a peaceful, clean touch. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope you all are having an amazing day, and I will of course talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.